did you get the package you ordered? Oh, here it is. Hi everyone, my name is Shlok. Welcome to Shlok's Lego World. Today we are going to make a Lego car. The car color is orange and the color is black and grey. The car has 2 humans, 1 mechanic and 1 driver. Okay, now let's unbox this car. This is the base of the car. There are stickers for it. This is the instruction booklet to make it. This is the package which has a table and these for the car. These are some outer things for the front. These are inside the car you add. Windshield, a bottle, the bag with the humans there and this tool. These are the big pieces for the car and this is the piece for the back of it. Now let's put all the parts safely in here and let's do the build. And here is the kit, the engineer, the mechanic. We are done with the car. This is a complicated thing for me and it takes a long time. I added all the stickers and I made the humans. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share and click on the bell icon. And thanks for watching Shlok's Lego World. Bye bye!